Okay. In the previous video, we have seen equation of plane in normal form. In that case, we have seen equation of plane in vector form. Okay, means vector r dot vector n cap is equal to d, where vector r it is a variable vector, vector n cap it is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane from the origin, and d it is a distance, perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin. Okay, this is the equation of plane in vector form. Now we will move to Cartesian form. Now if L, M, N are direction cosines of vector On, then vector n cap it is a unit vector in the direction of On. Okay, this vector n cap it will be turned out to be Li cap plus Mj cap plus N k cap. Okay, this we have seen the concept in case of when we are seeing direction lines, direction cosines, and in case of lines we have seen this, that if Lmn are the direction cosines along any line or vector, okay, then in that case the unit vector along that line or along that vector will be given by Li cap plus Mj cap plus N k cap. Okay, now in case of dot product, you know that we get, okay, first of all, what is R? R will be xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, because what is R? It is the position vector of point P. Point P is the variable vector with the coordinates x, y, z. Now you are having these two vectors, and you know in case of dot product, when we take the dot product, there is a multiplication of I coefficient, j coefficient, and k coefficient, and their addition. Okay, substituting these two values here in equation 1, putting in 1, we get Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. We get this equation, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. Now this is nothing but it is an equation of plane. This is equation of plane in Cartesian form. This is equation of plane in Cartesian form. Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. Okay, where L, M, N, these are the direction cosines of the normal vector. The vector which is normal to the plane, L, M, N are the direction cosines of that vector. Okay, Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. This is equation of plane in vector form. This is equation of plane in Cartesian form. Both are the equations of plane of normal form. Okay, clear? One more thing. The point of contact means N, the perpendicular which is drawn. Okay, the perpendicular is drawn from the origin. The point of contact is N. We are drawing perpendicular from the origin, and the point of contact is N. This point of contact N, it is LD, MD, ND. In the paper, you may be asked the question that find the point of contact. Okay, in case of normal form, then that point of contact is LD, MD, ND. Okay, means x coordinate will be L into D, y coordinate will be M into D, and z coordinate will be N into D, where L, M, N, these are the direction cosines, and D is the distance from the origin. Okay, D is the distance from the origin. It's very easy if you consider this as x1, y1, z1, and if you draw this perpendicular, then this point will be x1, 0, 0. Okay, this point will be x1, 0, 0. Means situation arising here is your point N, x1, y1, z1, and this will be x1, 0, 0. This will be perpendicular. If this is alpha, then clearly your cos alpha. Okay, your cos alpha will be, this means x1 upon D, and this gives you x1 is equal to D cos alpha. Cos alpha is nothing but L, so x1 will be DL, or you can say LD. In the same way, y1 will be MD and z1 will be ND. Okay, clear? Please note it down.